Hi, Di the Safe Guy, Di Hawley, Sales Manager at Safe and Vault Store here to talk today about the brand new 2021 American Security BFX6030 gun safe. In my opinion, this is probably one of the best gun safes built in America today at a very reasonable price. This safe replaced the old BF6030 you see over there on the left. Let's take a look at the major change that was made. Basically, these safes are constructed the same in the body. They have 1/2 inch of plate steel in the door, just like the old BF6030. It also has 1 1/3 inches of a proprietary concrete mix, which is far better than drywall, which all other gun safes out there have for fire. This is a sample of very heavy-duty concrete composite material behind the 1/2 inch plate of steel. Then, in the body, you have 11 gauge steel on the outside and 12 gauge steel on the inside, and then you have 2 inches of this concrete composite material. So not only is it a superior 2-hour fire rating, but it also slows down the burglars trying to break into your safe. So it aids the steel. Let's look at the main difference between these two safes. I'm going to open the doors on both of them and show you what that is. On last year's model here, the boltwork was a 3-way boltwork. It had 2 bolts here, 5 here, 5 here, but none on the bottom. None on the bottom whatsoever. And it still had very heavy-duty boltwork in here, but American Security decided to improve on the door security a little bit with the new BFX6030. So let's take a look at this. This one has a 4-way bolt work system. So they have the 2 bolts in the bottom, and they also have a much heavier duty steel. I would say at least somewhere in the 1/8 to 1/4 inch thicker steel on all the bolt work rods and plates inside the door. So it's giving you a more secure door than the old version, even though the old version was still very, very secure. But they've just improved on it a little bit. And that's the major change. They both have a 2-hour fire rating. They both have a standard electrical outlet. There's interior lighting if you order it. And they have a lifetime warranty. In all the years we've been selling gun safes, in our opinion, this particular brand, American Security, and the BFX series is the best gun safe built in America today. Thanks for listening. This is Di Hawley, Di the Safe Guy, saying have a good day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.